Having trouble getting your Spocket products to customers fast enough? Are long shipping times eating into your profits and customer satisfaction? If you're running a dropshipping business, you know that slow shipping can be a real killer. In today's e-commerce landscape, customers expect their orders to arrive quickly, and if they don't, they're likely to look elsewhere. This is especially true for dropshipping, where you're relying on suppliers to fulfill orders. If your suppliers are shipping products from halfway across the world, those transit times can easily stretch into weeks, leading to frustrated customers and a damaged reputation. But what if I told you there's a simple, yet incredibly powerful way to ensure your Spocket products get to your customers in record time? What if you could filter your product searches to only show items that offer fast shipping, giving you a competitive edge and happier customers? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We'll explore how to leverage Spocket's built-in filtering options to prioritize products with speedy delivery, allowing you to build a dropshipping business that's not just profitable, but also known for its exceptional service. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why fast shipping is so crucial for your dropshipping success. In a world of instant gratification, customers have grown accustomed to near-immediate delivery. Think about Amazon Prime, for example. 2-day shipping has become the norm, and anything less can feel like an eternity. For dropshippers, this means that if your products are taking 2 to 3 weeks to arrive, you're already at a disadvantage. Customers might abandon their carts, choose a competitor with faster shipping, or worse, leave negative reviews that can tank your reputation. Fast shipping doesn't just make your customers happy. It builds trust, encourages repeat purchases, and ultimately fuels your business growth. Now, let's get down to business. Filtering by fast shipping on Spocket is surprisingly straightforward, but it's a feature many dropshippers overlook. By implementing this simple step, you can drastically cut down your shipping times and elevate your customer experience. The first step, of course, is to log in to your Spocket account. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the product search or discovery section. This is where you'll typically browse for products to add to your store. You'll see a variety of search filters and options available to you. Don't just type in a product name and hit search. Take a moment to explore the filtering capabilities. Look for a section related to shipping or ship from. This is where the magic happens. Spocket offers several ways to filter by shipping options, and the most effective for fast shipping is often by country of origin or by estimated delivery time. Let's start with filtering by ship from country. Spocket has a vast network of suppliers, and they're located all over the world. If your primary customer base is in the United States, for instance, you'll want to prioritize suppliers who ship from the US. This dramatically reduces transit times compared to suppliers shipping from, say, China or Eastern Europe. So, in the Ship From filter, select your target customer's country. You might even want to select a few neighboring countries if those offer reasonable shipping times. For example, if you're selling to the US, you might also consider Canadian or Mexican suppliers if their shipping logistics to the US are efficient. Another powerful filter, if available and depending on how Spocket has updated its interface, is estimated delivery time. Some products on Spocket will explicitly show an estimated delivery window. If you see this filter option, you can set a maximum delivery time that aligns with your customer's expectations. For example, you might set it to 3 to 7 days or 5 to 10 days, depending on your niche and product type. This is a more direct way to ensure fast shipping, as it bypasses the need to manually figure out transit times from different countries. Beyond these primary filters, there are a few other things to keep in mind to optimize for fast shipping. When you click on a product to view its details, always check the shipping information section. This will provide more granular details about shipping carriers, costs, and estimated delivery times. Don't just assume. Always verify this information. Some suppliers might offer express shipping options at an additional cost. If you're selling high-value items or catering to a customer base that prioritizes speed above all else, offering an express shipping upgrade can be a fantastic way to enhance customer satisfaction and potentially increase your average order value. It's also worth noting that some suppliers on Spocket are designated as premium or US/EU based. These designations often indicate a commitment to faster shipping and higher quality products. While you might not find a direct filter for a premium supplier, by focusing on suppliers based in your target customer's region, you'll naturally gravitate towards those who offer quicker delivery. Another pro tip is to communicate clearly with your customers about shipping times. Even with fast shipping, unexpected delays can occur. Be transparent on your product pages and in your FAQ section about your shipping policies and estimated delivery windows. Setting realistic expectations upfront can prevent customer frustration down the line. If you're consistently delivering within your promised timeframe or even faster, you're building a reputation for reliability. Finally, remember that filtering by fast shipping isn't a one-time task. As you add new products to your store, always apply these filters. Regularly review your shipping performance and customer feedback. If you notice any trends of slow delivery, reevaluate your supplier choices and adjust your filters accordingly. The e-commerce landscape is dynamic, and staying on top of your shipping logistics is key to long-term success. By consistently utilizing Spocket's fast shipping filters, you'll be able to curate a product catalog that not only excites your customers but also reaches them in a timely manner. This proactive approach to shipping will set you apart from competitors, build customer loyalty, and ultimately, drive more sales for your dropshipping business. Don't underestimate the power of speed in e-commerce. It's often the deciding factor for a customer's purchasing decision. Take control of your shipping times and watch your business thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.